Hello there, it is the 21st century according to the Gregorian calendar of humankind, and the civilized monkeys who inhabit Earth have begun playing video games. Wait, sorry, wrong image. There we go. For quite some time now, using computers which can generate and convert a bunch of numbers into things that we can understand and make sense of, like textures, lighting, overly exaggerated gore, and avatars of 12-year-olds who teabag you in Smash. So, you may or may not know that in a video game, things tend to get processed and rendered.
Come again? One more time, please. Ah, now I get it. You are idiot.
For example, when you're not running the game, it is just a bunch of files, very complicated files, but still just files. Only when you load up the game and end up in a sucky with your siblings watching you, do these files become something more concrete and get well rendered. I know they are still just files, but you know what I mean, so shut up, fuck up, please. You're hurting my self-image. Back to topic. If you are not looking at something or aware of something that is off screen, it disappears. This due to the fact that the game really has no reason to render it, to save memory of course. I think you get the general idea. So, TLDR, if the camera is focused on Mario's ass, his boobs won't exist anymore. You could say that you, aka the character observing something, changes the game's core reality. So in real life we have a really similar rule. Why? I don't know, no one really knows. It's called the observer effect, and this goes really deep into weird quantum woo shit, and I don't have a degree in physics and neither am I a mathematician, so I'll just sum it up in a really shitty way. Imagine yourself inside an empty room. There's no one else there, and you've got a ball and you've got an empty box. Now, what do? You put this ball inside the box, you shake it very hard, and you throw it at a wall like little Timmy would with his dad's iPhone after losing a match of Clash Royale. After you threw this ball box around like a madman, the ball should still be inside the box because, well, the ball doesn't just disappear. Well, unlike yours after not taking a testosterone pill for 3 hours. What I wanted to say is that there is a 100% chance that the ball is inside the box, but the question is, where exactly inside the box is the ball? At this point you could do some big brain maths and calculate the whole thing using a function. Inside the function there are higher values and there are lower values. A place with higher values just simply means that the ball has a higher probability of appearing in that said location of the box. This is where it kinda gets mindfucky, because the ball can't be at every single one of these locations and at none of these locations at the same time. So every single possibility is real and fake. This phenomenon is known as superposition, and the state is there as long as you don't observe it. It is almost like an order inside a program which hasn't been executed yet. This is so fascinating because this could possibly mean that our consciousness affects time and space in a way like a camera affects the world in a video game. We literally render things in real life. So why is this so absolutely important for all of science and philosophy? Well, because for the first time in history, we have possible evidence that life actually holds meaning in the universe. A video game runs for the sake of the player enjoying it. What could a universe so vast possibly mean? This could be mankind's shot at completely demolishing, like ass-fisting nihilism so fucking hard that it can't ever fucking recover. Looking down into the abyss and saying, "Bitch boy, you just got owned." How you play this game is how you are going to get judged. So be a kind person. Love everyone, denounce hatred, and don't be a cunt. Or maybe this was just about me trying to find some semblance of meaning in this meaningless world. Ah well, what can you do about that? You've overstayed your welcome, goodbye.
I'm so happy, lucky me. I just go my way, living every day. I don't worry, worrying don't agree. Things that